What's up, everybody? Waldo Mendoza from the Polyfiber Factory. It's been a long time, but we are back. This video we're about to show you is about making a repair on the tail section of a Super Cub. I'll talk you through as I'm watching the video myself. So there you see the fabric comes in a huge roll. Just kind of measuring out the fabric. Once I get a rough measurement, then I'll cut it out. And then I'll lay it on there. I'm going to cover one side at a time. Okay, so I'll start clamping it. Just kind of, rough fit it on there. So first of all, this airplane had a little mishap, bent the lower longeron on the tail section. So the tail wheel got damaged. So I had to open up the entire tail section, as you can see in this video. We did some tube repairs, tail wheel repairs, and now it's ready to cover. Now, I knew that to make this look good, I'd have to pretty much paint the whole fuselage, so that's what we decided to do. The fabric is completely prepped for a paint job, which means I took some 320 sandpaper, sanded the entire surface, and got it ready for paint. Once I did that, I cleaned it up, and now I'm ready for the fabric repair.
That'll be cut out. You can leave that like that.
You know?
Yeah, it is to do by, but pretty nice. This kind of look.
Then I'll take some polytack, okay? The polytack is the fabric cement. That's what we're going to use. And the rule is, anytime you're working with a patch, okay, the rule is you want a minimum of 2-inch overlap of patch material to existing material. And you can see that I did that where the new fabric meets the old fabric. Then around the tail section, then you just want to wrap around the tubing and get a good bond there. Once you glue the entire perimeter, you're pretty much just cutting fabric where it needs to be cut to be able to wrap around the tail section. You can see once I come around the other side, I start marking the fabric. That's where I'm going to cut the fabric. Then I'll take some glue and glue that fabric in there really well. Once again, we're doing this one side at a time. Okay, so I'll glue around the tube. I'll take the fabric and wrap it around. And then I'll trim that fabric real nicely inside of the tube so that you never see that cut that I'm going to make. Also, you can see that I glue the fabric in. Then I'll take some polytack on the outside of the fabric, apply some polytack right on the area where I'm going to cut the fabric. That way, when I do cut the fabric, it gives me a nice crisp cut and it won't fray on me like it does when you're cutting over bare fabric. Let me speed up the video here. So here on the bottom of the tail section, you can see it. I'm doing the same thing. I'm just kind of cutting around the areas where I can't fold the fabric. If you just take your time, do it right, it'll come out nice, and you can make a repair pretty much disappear like it was never there. So now here at the end of the video, you can see I'm drawing the line. That's going to be my 2-inch overlap. Okay, so by drawing that line, now I know where to cut the fabric. Okay, there's new fabric overlapping existing fabric. I draw my line, I apply some polytack. Once the polytack dries, then I'm gonna take a razor blade and do the razor blade trick. Okay, that's you lay the razor blade right on the line, and then you pull the fabric into the razor blade. Then that'll give you a nice, perfect straight line. So here, check it out. The last thing is you can take the iron. You really don't have to shrink the entire surface because you still have the other half to cover. But I take the iron, I'll shrink some of it, get all the little wrinkles out around the areas where you glued the fabric, and then once you have a nice looking surface, then I'll move on to the other side. Anyways, this is part 1 of a tail section repair on a Super Cub. Stay tuned. We're gonna do part 2 pretty soon, and we'll post it as soon as it's up there. We really hope this helps all you guys out there that have fabric projects, whether it's a repair or a full cover job. Thanks for watching.